Hello everyone and welcome to Miss Tiffin's Tutorials. See the magic in writing. Alright everyone, today we're learning how to use an action verb opener. First things first, what is an action verb? An action verb is a movement or action which began in the past, is currently happening in the present, and may even continue to happen in the future. An action verb denotes continuous action and movement. And to spot an action verb, all you have to do is look for three easy breezy letters, I, N, G. But why use an action verb opener? Let's find out. This is our first example. Meet Zaim from the Yuka Yuka tribe. What is Zaim doing? He is standing, he's guarding, and he's protecting. I want to write a sentence about Zaim doing all of these things. So I could of course start with his name. I could write, Zaim was guarding the camp. It's okay, right? Makes sense, that is what he's doing, but it could be a lot better. In fact, I feel a bit sleepy reading it. So I'm going to change it, and I'm going to begin my sentence with the action verb. Guarding the camp, Zaim stood by the crackling fire. Now, I think that's a lot more enticing. What do you think? Meet Kel. As you can see from the picture, Kel is a pretty cool guy, and he's in the Philippines, surfing the wild waves. Imagine for a moment how he feels on the board riding the wave, and that's what we want to convey in our sentence. So I could of course start with Kel. Something easy. Kel was surfing the wild waves. But unfortunately, I've already dropped off to sleep by the time I finish the sentence. It doesn't sound very wild, it doesn't sound very exciting, it doesn't sound very cool. So let's change that. Let's begin with the action verb. Surfing the wild waves. Kel felt energized and free. That's how he looks to me. What do you think? Lastly, everyone, meet Nobu the ninja. Nobu is brandishing his sword. He's holding it high in the air. He's raising it. He is prepared. He's ready to fight his enemies. And we want to show that he is ready in our sentence. So again, we could start with something pretty standard, such as Nobu was brandishing his sword. Oh no, I'm not just sleepy with that sentence. I've actually dropped off to sleep. We don't want that because it doesn't show the power in the character's stance. It doesn't show the expression in his eyes. It doesn't show that his sword is ready. So here we go with something better. Brandishing his shining sword, Nobu prepared to fight his enemies. Would he win? Now I think that's much better. Do you agree? That's it for now, guys. Thank you for listening and happy writing.